Hi everyone, so today, since Valentine's Day is coming up, I know it's not quite there yet, but the way my upload schedule works out, this is the best day to do it, so you have time to have the craft done in time for Valentine's Day. So that's why we're doing it now. It's heart, paper chains. See how they're all little hearts, not circles? Aren't they cute? It'll probably end up being hung up back here with my other stuff soon, or someone might leave, I'm not sure. So this is what you need, is what it looks like. What you need is scissors, a stapler, you don't need tape, just a stapler, and paper. As you can see, I already used some, because I already made part of it, so I can show you what it looks like. I have red, purple, and pink. I make a high recommendation. This red stuff, it's not paper, it's cardstock. Don't use cardstock. It makes it a whole lot harder. It'll work, but if you can use either normal colored paper or construction paper, please use that instead. It is much easier. Cardstock is just too stiff, but it does work if that's all you have. First, you're going to take your paper, whichever one you want. I'm going to start with pink. I know it's hard for you to see, but I'll intervention it with the other ones as well. And you cut a strip, I'd say about an inch and a half, however wide you feel, is what you want. Remember, we're cutting this is the short way of the paper, because the long way was this way, and I already cut up a whole bunch of it. And if it's not the most straight and perfect, it's going to be folded up into a heart, so it's not really going to matter. So then you take the paper, and you fold it in half. Now, when I first started making these a little bit ago, I would cut this, and then I'd staple it, and then I'm like, why would I cut it? If I'm going to staple it back together, I can just fold it, and then just staple it, like that, and then it's good. And then you pick up your chain. Or if you're making a new chain, you just take it. If you're just starting, obviously you're not going to be connecting it to more. But you literally just take the ends, and then you staple them like that, and then you just add on. But I'm going to add this to this one because I'm just going to continue my chain I already made. So you literally just, and you do the same thing. You just slide the one part through, and then you just find the ends, meet them up, and then you staple. But then, boom. Add another one. So now you can see what I'm doing better if you missed it the first time at all, because I'm using purple now. And just cut however wide you feel. And if it's not even, it doesn't really matter. Try to get it as close as you can to even. And you take your paper, fold it in half. And then you find those down right here, and you staple it. And the staple isn't like perfect centered, it doesn't matter. Just don't get it too far up, because then it makes your heart even smaller. And hearts are already kind of small to begin with, these ones are. But if they're too much bigger, then they'd be floppy. Then you just take it, and you slide part of it through the last one you made. And then you bring the ends together like this, and then you staple it. Looks like that. And then onto red. Red is harder because it's cardstock, so it's a little thicker. Again, you cut the strip like that. Take it, fold it in half. You take a staple. You staple it like that. And then you take whatever the last one you added, find purple, slide it through, and then bring it around like this. Making sure to fold it the opposite direction in case you hadn't noticed that. Fold it the opposite direction of this part. And then you staple the ends. And then you just keep going until you're done, which mine's already pretty long. Probably I'll finish off the paper and just make it a little longer. But yeah, if you like paper chains, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want more paper crafts, or if you like staples and stuff, because staples are fairly easy. And subscribe. Bye!